What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Good night. I'm over here at the shop, and today we're gonna weld this bung to the oil pan for my Mustang. So what we got to do first is grind or mark that, and then grind the paint off and drill a hole that's the same size as this pipe that fits in the back of the bung. So let's get my center punch and punch out a little divot to start drilling. So here's my center punch. Just like that. I'm gonna go measure this real quick and find me a drill bit. So let's get the mic here. So it looks like our tube is about 1270. Let's see what this one is. That's 12.2. And this one is 1265. So the 1/2 inch is gonna work, I believe. It's gonna be a tight fit. Well, I'm gonna see if I can get my oil pan rigged up in the drill press and start with the pilot hole first, and then we'll get it drilled. So I got it all set up. I'll drill it out. So I'm gonna have to readjust because this drill bit's too big. So we got to make it fit. So I readjusted it for that bigger drill bit. So there's the hole. So now I just got to clean up some of the burrs on the inside and make it just a smidge bigger to fit the pipe. So I got the whole deburr. It's all smoothed up. I made it just a It's all shiny, so it's hard to see. It's a pretty good fit. So I got the pipe to fit up nice and tight inside the fitting. That's gonna be pretty sick. It's off kilter right now because it's hitting the baffles back here, and I'm gonna cut it down just so it's only sticking out maybe 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch to the inside of the oil pan. Now I gotta weld the fitting to the pipe. So I got the welder. This is a new welder. I've never used it. The Millermatic 252 but I got it set up to the suggested things. Voltage and wire speed. We're grounded out. I cleaned both the pipe and the backside of the fitting. Let's see if I can't fuck this up, huh? I think that's pretty feasible. Just a smidge. Memories of shadows from the years when I was young. Things that used to terrify me are the things that I've become. There's a dark moon in the clouds, misty falling in the bathroom sink on the hall, the lights flicker, the ground way deep in the pines, passing corners, nightmares in my sleep, the Sandman is coming, I see the ghost in the red cloak, the shadows are taking shape, the sound of a king's voice. Woo! So there it is, all cleaned up. I mean, I don't claim to be a welder, and I've never really welded anything this small and thin, but I think it's gonna work. So I got it tacked up. I think that's gonna work out pretty good. So I got it welded up. It's not the best, but you know, like I said again, I'm not a welder. So I welded it on the inside. Now I'm gonna try and weld the outside as well. Mentally reliving it. Have to weight it down so don't tip the move. On top of that, my fat ass woke up next to a midget. It's not that pretty. Come on, focus. I still gotta get the underneath side of it. So I got all welded up. It's not pretty at all, but I know it's not gonna leak. I got it pretty well out there. and the inside pretty well. Now all that's going to be left is to clean it up and to paint it. But I don't have any paint, so that's going to be it. So I think that's going to be it for tonight. I don't have any paint, so I can't paint up the oil pan. So thank you for watching if you're watching this, and stay tuned. Hopefully I keep making more videos for you guys so you guys can see me install this turbo kit on this Mustang. See ya. Have a good night.